My inspiration for this half-bath renovation was Nashville Bachelorette Airbnb. Now before you judge me, hear me out. This half-bath is right between my colorful office and my workshop, so I needed something creative, loud, and fun. After I skim-coated the walls, I went to Lowe's to get my supplies and I picked out the prettiest colors. But first, prep work. Skim-coated walls must be sealed, so I used Valspar Multi-Surface Interior Primer to do just that. I then applied a coat of Valspar Reserve in Bistro White. My dad helped me remove the outdated sink, but we accidentally shattered it. I used a big level and a ruler to draw a grid with 6-inch squares. I started off with Valspar's color Desert Carnation. And since I like to make things difficult, I individually taped each square outline, painted a few, and then removed the tape before continuing. The next color I used was Valspar's Renew Blue. Yes, the same one I used on my pool. It's just such a pretty color, I had to use it again. And since the back and side walls were painted, I was able to have my dad help me install a new vanity. For the last wall, I used Valspar Reserve in the color Watercolor Grape to brighten the room up even more. After that, I added a few necessary final touches, like a disco ball, and the transformation was complete. As a reminder, here's what I started with, and here's how it turned out. Dang, was it time-consuming and tedious, but I'm obsessed, and I swear I get a boost of serotonin every time I walk in there. So make sure to visit Valspar.com and get up to 10 free paint chips delivered to your doorstep.